Do not get to.
Subject walking out on the street, walking southbound Mesilla with his hands up. Somebody go make contact. You got the light.
10-1. That's going to be the driver that fell from the vehicle. We're still dealing with the occupants. He's walking back towards us now with his hands up.
10-4, as long as you know he's coming back towards you.
Nobody goes southbound on Mesilla from the north. Nobody goes southbound on Mesilla from the north. Approach from Central to Mesilla.
Invite 36 to the units at Central Mesilla. I'm out of the way away from my unit, so she have it engaged. I'm not downrange.
28 to 10. 10 good. You want us to cut him off to the north? He walked out to the street and is walking back towards us southbound. So you guys can just hold on copper in case we have any more runners. And this is going to be the driver that fled initially.
10-4, we're at copper in Mesilla.
Okay. They're semi-compliant, they're argumentative, but they're complying with most of the commands that they're being given.
10-4, if you want us to move in and contain that vehicle from the front, the nose, we can perform a block.
Negative. There's too much of a space. We wouldn't be able to prevent it from backing up. All the occupants are out now. We're just trying to come up with a plan. We'll finish taking them into custody.
We have everybody in custody and the vehicle's clear. The driver who fled came